Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to pass the Blueprint Meta Certification exam from your very first try. So still until the end of this video, and I'm going to be blowing your mind 100%. And as always, if you see any value from this video, please hit the notification on, subscribe, and the thumbs up, and let's get started. All right, everyone, listen up. If you want to pass the Meta Blueprint Media Buying or Media Planning certification on your very first try, without pulling your hair, without any hustle, you are on the right place. Meta has changed a few things, and I'm here to break all this down for you today in plain English. No fluff, no confusion, just the stuff that you need to know in order to pass the Meta Blueprint certification and get certified. I will leave all the link in the description below, so make sure you check them out. So first you need to go to www.facebook.com/business/learn/certification and take the free practice test. This will show you exactly where you stand right now, what you need, what you're already good at, and what you need to focus on improving. Right? Don't just dive into studying blindly. That's a mistake for all new people that are trying to pass the exam making. So let's talk about what's new. As of 2025, Meta made some tweaks, some changes, especially if you were advertising in finance, housing, employment, health and wellness. So if you are running ads in these categories, the targeting rules are even stricter right now. So, and guess what? The certification exam is going to test you on that as well. So if you don't know these updates, you could be walking straight into a fail. And we don't want that, right? So now let's get into the exam, a little more details, because I know that you're gonna ask me down in the comments. But the exam consists of 60 questions and 105 minutes to you have 105 minutes to answer them, and you will pass if you get 700 out of 1,000 points. And if you fail the first try, no worries, you can retake it after 5 days. But here's the catch: the second attempt is paid, so every time you go retake the exam is paid. So unless you want to pay Meta a lot of money, you need to pass this exam on the first try. That's why you're here, that's why you're watching this video. Oh, and a quick heads up, you have to retake the exam every year. But here's the good news: you don't have to study everything from scratch, right? You'll only be tested on what's new from the past year, okay? Plus, the retake is absolutely free. So as long as you stay updated, you won't have to sweat it, and you won't have to pay extra for this certification. Now, I've got something to make this whole process even easier for you. I put together a Meta Blueprint certification free guide that you can grab in the description below. And another thing I prepared while I was studying for the exam, for my very first exam, like 4 years ago, and I've been updating it ever since. And that's a Meta Blueprint certification practice test with over 500 questions and answers, right? So that they can help you. Once you start answering after 90% of the test, you'll definitely pass this exam. I can almost guarantee you this. So don't waste time guessing what's going to be the next step, the next test. Download the guide, grab the practice test. The test is free, by the way. The test is paid, by the way. Spoiler alert. And so, yeah, guys, that was for this video. Hit the like button if that was helpful. Subscribe for more digital marketing tips, and drop a comment. If you got any questions, ask them in the comments below. Now, go crush that exam, and see you in the next video. See you on the other side of success, guys.